Hello everyone, welcome to Sushna Digital Space Studio. Now I am telling about a daily current affairs today. Dodge job cuts have shaken the Trump voting in the West Virginia town. West Virginia resident Jennifer Piggott proudly said that the Dodge is cutting the jobs by the Trump tariffs, and it is going to cut the jobs in the form of, and it is affecting the Trump's voting, and it may be affect the citizens of the Trump's America in the Washington area. And the flag outside the Trump is going to held an election in the November race is going in the Dodge. It may be affect the election in the presidency of the Trump. Here the days of the president of the Trump elections is going to happen. And so coming to the next article of today. So here coming to the Russia and US relations. Here Trump is going to said that he put the sanctions on Russia, and he is going to tell that he is putting tariffs on Russia for the peace agreement in the form of Russia and Ukraine war. The meeting had happened with the president of the Russia, who is Vladimir Putin. The Trump is going to hold the sanctions between the Russia and US. So here the Trump is going to announce the peace agreement and the tariffs on the Russia, because the both sides, which is Ukraine Zelensky and the Russian President Vladimir Putin, also want to sanctions, also want to peace agreement with each other. This may stop the war against each other. So coming to the third article of today, Zelensky approval has raised. So coming to the, we all know that there is a meeting held in White House between the US President Trump and the Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky, and the concerns have raised. So here the Trump is going to put the tariffs on the Ukraine as well. So the poll released by the Kyiv International Institute of the Sociology, which is in the Kyiv. So here the peace agreement of the Volodymyr Zelensky has improved from 40 to 70% of today. Now the Zelensky approval of the peace agreement with Russia is going to the Daily of the Hindu. So here the Zelensky is going to stop the tariff in the talk of the White House to the US President Donald Trump. So coming to the poll details of the Kyiv, which is KISS, the institute. So coming to the survey, it is going from the March 4, now today March 4, and it's going to help from the December 14 to the March 4 now itself. So here Zelensky has improving his peace agreement with the Russia day by day, and he's going to peace agreement with the talk of the Donald Trump and the White House. So here Trump's criticism to the Zelensky, who is Ukraine president. So here after he's blaming he called the dictator and blaming the Zelensky for the peace agreement with the Russia and the US, and as well as the Zelensky, which is Ukraine relations, are going to be much stronger if the peace agreement would happen with the Russia and the US. So here we want to tell about the Trump's sanctions that have helped for the both countries, which is Ukraine and Russia. So here Trump is main talk to obstruct the peace agreement with the Russia, with Ukraine and the Russia. Zelensky also need to repair the ties with the US, which is the main talks to the peace agreement of the US and the peace agreement about the Ukraine and the both Russia, and it is going to held in the White House agreement, and the raising of the Zelensky approval to the peace agreement is going to be held these days. Here the Zelensky is going to hold a diplomatic relations with the US, which is many ways to form of a US and Ukraine relations. There are raw minerals supplying of the US and the Ukraine as well. So now the Zelensky set of the regulations, which is the raising of the 67% of the approval from the Zelensky. Now the Trump is going to be put the sanctions to the full approval from the Zelensky, and it's going to be a Eastern Ukraine war to be sanctions of the hardest peace of the agreement. So coming to the next article of today, third article, the general elections are called against to the Trump in the February 11th. So now it's going to be a Greenland place which is near the Trump's election scene. Now it is located near the island of the Greenland, which is the elections of the Trump. And coming to the fourth article of today, if the Moscow is willing to end the war with the Zelensky, and it's going to be a sanctions, and the US is urged to put the relations with the Russia in the peace agreement, the Trump is going to have a very huge interest in the Russia's economy, and he's willing to good ties with the Russia too. And if the peace agreement has happened peacefully, and the both agreements are from the both, which is Vladimir Putin and Vladimir Zelensky has a peace agreement, if they both are willing to peace about the different countries, so here the Trump is going to put his efforts, and he's willing to get ties with the both Ukraine and Russia as well. So coming to the sixth article of today, here the Oscar winning actor Gene Hackman have died after the Oscar winning of his achievement of the movie. So here it became a very, now the Oscar winning happened in the now article, so it is going to be spread by mice, and the results is going to be changed in the front of the released on Friday in the New Mexico. So coming to the seventh article of today, Israel and Palestine crisis of the West Asia. So here the Israel approval is to become he is turning to the West Asia the 50 people with the children. He is in the form of the Ramadan festival. He is shifting the 50 people with the children to the Al-Aqsa, and he's going to be held the 50 children and the 50 families to enter the Al-Aqsa and Moscow Fridays on the form of Al-Aqsa and the festival of the Ramadan. Here the Israel is going to take a drastic step where he's allowing the citizens of the 50 families to the Al-Aqsa holy month of the Ramadan. And here the Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has approval to the 50 families to cross the border of the West Asia and going to the Al-Aqsa in the holy month of the Ramadan.